Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me. This is Kathy. I'm back with another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the Speckled Star Stencil. Kind of a mouthful. Anyway, it is a super fun stencil. It is 6 by 6 and it's got a nice thick border around the star, so you could actually stencil the star all by itself with very little masking. I do have two samples to share with you. This first one is a slimline card, and I also used the new Awesome die set as well as the Simple Sentiment Strips dies that coordinates with the Simple Sentiment Strips stamp set. And my second sample, I used the Balloon Bunnies 2. For the background on that one, I did a little bit of a resist technique that was actually a happy accident. And here's a look at the star that is stenciled all by itself. And that's it. For more information about the products used, I'll have that linked in the description box below for you. For more inspiration, make sure you head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our Facebook group. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.